So when we look at cystic acne, certainly there are individuals, if there's a strong family history of cystic acne, there may be a genetic predisposition. Looking at diet, just as we talked about, are there things in your diet that could be contributing? So, looking at taking out as much of the processed foods as we can, eating a nutrient dense whole foods diet, making sure that you're hydrating enough. Are there products that you're using on your skin or in your household that then are on your hands that could be disrupting your skin microbiome and contributing to acne flares? Are there certain medications or supplements? There's a really interesting study looking at B12 supplementation having a correlation with acne flares. So things that we think may be doing us some good could actually, in some individuals, be contributing to flares. Makeup that you're using, hormone imbalances, right? And then stress. So that's a lot of things that I'm sharing, but it's usually not one thing. So you kind of go layer by layer and look at your entire environment and the soil in which your skin essentially is growing within, and look to see if there's any contributing factors.
And do you think that it's good for your skin to get extractions often? And what's the best way to extract pimples? And can extracting pimples cause more breakouts?
So extractions can be quite helpful. Certainly, when we talk about open comedones and closed comedones. So acne in general is formed in a hair follicle. And when there's dead skin cells and oil production and bacteria, and that kind of dilates the hair follicle, and it can, get obstructed. So you may need a little extra help to clean those pores out. It's a matter of how it's being done. So I always suggest, we always talk about don't pick your pimples or pop your pimples yourself, because you can cause a lot of additional inflammation. So going to a skilled professional like an esthetician or dermatologist do extractions. And so it's not something that needs to be done all the time. Depends on the severity of the acne. Some people do go, for a period of time, once a week, once every other week, maybe getting facials and doing some gentle exfoliation with peels and such. But just squeezing yourself or using tools that you can buy at Sephora or something, have the potential to cause more damage and inflammation, and actually potentially secondary infection. And making things worse rather than better. So I would definitely seek out the help of a skilled professional.